Welcome to Ben Num Design.
Introduction to Computer. Internet. Part 10. Internet. Internet. Internet is network of networks. It doesn't belong to anyone and no one runs it. People around the globe access internet via telephone line or satellite. How to access it? Internet Service Provider, ISP, is a company or organization that connects the users with Internet. ISP is always connected to Internet, and people who want to access Internet, connected via their local ISPs. It is used to share information and resources over Internet. Services over Internet. 1. World Wide Web. 2. Email. World Wide Web. Web meant net. It was originally designed to share information among scientific community. But now it is the most popular way of sharing information. Web page is a resource of information written in HTML. Web browser is software that is used to view web page. Popular web browser. Internet Explorer. Mozilla Firefox. Google Chrome. Website. Website is a collection of related web pages. Every website has a unique address to access it. It is called Uniform Resource Locator, URL. For example, www.youtube.com is the URL for the YouTube/BNUM_23 website. Links provide us the access to other web pages in website. You may have seen links like Home, Contact Us, About Us, etc. Advantage of web is availability of huge resource of information. For example, temperature of different parts of world is available over the web. And how to reach web? How to reach the web? 1. Connect telephone line to computer. 2. Connect to ISP. A. Enter ISP phone. B. Enter username and password to connect. 3. Open browser. 4. Enter URL and browse internet. Email. It is like regular mail, just with a small difference that you need computer to read, write, or send email. It is used for communication between people who are at distance. Its delivery is faster, safer than regular mail. Probability of losing is very low, and it can be viewed from anywhere in the world as it resides on internet. Email address is used to send email from one computer to another. e.g info@bnum_23 is an email address to send email to Virtual University of Pakistan. Email client. Email client is software to compose, send, receive, or read email. You can access your emails from anywhere in the world. All you need is email ID and password provided. This ensures authenticated access to your emails. Password is a secret word, used to uniquely identify the user. Some famous email clients are MS Outlook, NeoMail, Lotus Notes. Popular email clients: Gmail, Hotmail, AOL, Yahoo Mail, Microsoft. Thank you for watching.